Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rojanae, and this is a weekend vlog. Yes. Okay, that was extra. Anyways, I'm going to an art show later on, so we're gonna get dressed and do all the things for that. But in the meantime, I need to do some chores around the house. So I'm doing laundry, I'm folding and putting up clothes, and I'm also gonna fix me some food because I need that. And I may go out later on tonight too, so we will see about that as well. So come on. Today is Saturday, by the way. Let's get to it. So I organized all my clothes before I put them away after I do my laundry because that's just the easiest and makes most sense for me. So you're just going to see me put all these clothes up in a very fast manner with my fingers. I'm also putting my press-ons back on later. You'll see that too. Okay, go. Fixing my little baby. It's okay. So she knows when she's about to go in the cage. It's okay, girl. Come on. So I'm just gonna be making my signature breakfast that I always make. Toast, a slightly runny egg with some bell peppers, green bell peppers, and red onions with some bacon on top. So she's done. I'm just gonna slide her onto my toast. And then I like either feta or Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle a little bit of that. Maybe a little more because I like cheese. And my bacon. And I just slap it on there. Boom! Egg scramble on toast. Okay. And we are done. I'm gonna eat right quick, maybe watch a little show, and then we're gonna get ready and start the process for going to this art show. So I actually decided as one of my goals for this year to go outside at least once every day. And of course I'm going outside later, but I think I just want to like take a walk because I did that the other day and it was just like, it went by fast, very nice. Like I felt accomplished and it has good effects for your brain mentally. So I think I'm just gonna do that right quick. Just go on a walk around my block just once and then come back. Because hear me out. Am I crazy? The art show starts at 6, but I need to start getting ready at least by 4 to be there on time. And then I also need to take a shower, so that will be at least maybe by 3:30, and it's like 2:30 something now, I think. Is that too much time? Am I doing too much? I don't think so. I usually don't need to ask this because I already know I be doing a lot, but it's sometimes you gotta do a lot because you know how you are. Like I just don't want to feel rushed or forget stuff or feel half-assed, you know what I'm saying, when I'm getting ready, because that's like one of my favorite things to do is just get ready and be cute, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just go on this walk and see from there, okay? Okay, so I'm about to go on my walk. It's such a pretty day. Like, the sun really does wonders for my brain. It really does. So I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood, be at peace, show you some scenery, and yeah, get these brain cells turning. Can I be real with y'all? It's a new year. Feeling optimistic, feeling like things are really gonna change. But still processing things from last year is still something that's very real. And I don't think we should ignore, all the things that we went through last year because it's a new year. Like, we still gotta process it. You can't just pack it up and forget it. You know what I'm saying? At least for me. So I just know I'm just relishing like walking around my neighborhood and really appreciating my apartment because I know I'm gonna have to leave soon. If you've seen my last couple videos and my TikToks, like, I've just been going through a rough time. But I was just telling a friend this, like, I think things have been painful because the universe is pushing me out of situations that no longer benefit me or are best for me for where I'm trying to go. And it's bittersweet, it's very bittersweet because having your shelter, compromise on top of trying to maintain a job or get a job or make your creative like passions happen. It's hard when all of that is, crumbling at the same time. So I just wish that it didn't have to be as painful, but I know it's all gonna work out. If one thing I've learned throughout life so far, things are gonna work out, at least for me. I don't know about y'all, but I'm pretty sure it applies to y'all too. But I can only speak for myself, and I know that I always end up okay, if not better, from the pain of like a previous situation. You know what I'm saying? So remembering that really has alleviated so much stress and sadness and depression because I was in the thick of it last year for sure, especially towards the end half of last year. But just realizing kind of sad that it's taking me now to like try and get up and do things every day. Try to get up and do things every day, trying to be my best self, go outside for walks, be organized, and have some type of pep in my step now that I'm going to be leaving this apartment. Having like your own space. I've been there since 2020, since I graduated college. A couple months after I graduated college, I've been there, got it on my own. So to leave that is bittersweet, but I think it's gonna be for the better. Kind of annoyed that it took this long for me to finally get to where I am mentally, but I think it's gonna be worth it, and the timing is right now. So yeah, I hope that applies to you as well. I hope you could get a gem out of that. But it is a little cold, so I think I'm gonna go back inside now. So, I may or may not have gotten annoyed. So, I may or may not have gotten annoyed. And I may or may not have smoking a little. And I may or may not. Yeah. Just to let you know what type of vibe I'm on right now. I just, I remembered that I'm going into a social situation and that I am alive and I am a human and I have to interact with other alive humans. I don't really get social anxiety that much, but sometimes it likes to creep up every now and then and just be like, hey girl, like I'm here if you need me, even though I never need her. If you get it, you get it. You know what I'm saying? It really be like that. So I had to do what I had to do to calm myself down. Just remember that I'm finna look good. It's not that serious. And I'm just living my life in my main character mindset. And that's that. It's gonna be okay. Like, it's gonna be okay. Okay. Sometimes you just gotta remind yourself. This is me reminding myself to you and to me. I'm gonna get ready now. All right, I think we're done. Now I'm gonna put my clothes on and do final touches. Okay, we're accessorizing. It's exactly 6 o'clock now. So you see, I'm doing the silver and gold vibe. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like this could... No! What is that? What even is that? The fuck? Is it oil? It might be oil. I don't give a damn at this point. Really don't. Okay, we're on our way now. The press-ons did not work. I ran out of glue. Like the glue that was like actually good to keep them on. So no press-ons. Everything else is cool. On the way now. A quick voiceover, you know what I'm saying? The gallery was amazing. Shout out to all the people I know that were in it. Y'all's work was amazing. I ended up meeting some cool ass people and just hung out with them for the rest of the night. And then we went to another gallery that was down the street having an opening as well. And it was overall so fun. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. So I made it home. I look like somebody badass child. Like so I made it home. I'm in my jammies. Gonna call it a night. It's like 10, almost 11. I had a good night. It was so fun. I met so many cool people. My feet were hurting from them stupid ass shoes so bad. Don't know why I wore them. So many people wore flats. And I'd be like, oh, I always want to wear flats. And then I try to not, switch shit up. And my feet start hurting so bad. Anyways,
again. This is Saturday. I may be doing something Sunday. I should find that out now. And eat. I gotta eat. Is that a bitch? That's a, what is that? Is that a spider? Bitch. It was one of those little gnat thingies. I don't play that. I do not play that. That must have flew in when I opened the door. Anyways. I had a great time. See, the universe got my back. The universe has my back. I'm gonna go eat now. Go eat now, okay? If I don't see you again, good night. Okay, it's Sunday. I'm rushing because I have an Uber waiting on me because I'm going to a music video shoot for my friend that I styled for this music video. So, you're gonna see all the behind the scenes of that. I totally forgot about it. I don't know how I forgot. But yeah. So YouTube is pretty much the first place where I'm announcing that I'm offering my creative direction and styling services to the public now. And this was one of my first styling gigs. Well, I've styled people before for music videos and stuff, or at least assisted. But this was like me doing it, like officially, like announcing that I'm gonna do this. Anyways, yeah, I was helping my girl with anything she needed help on. So hair, picking out clothes, or at least helping coordinate things. She picked out the clothes mostly. Makeup touch-ups, and helping with formation for the choreography they did. Just, you know, social media, like behind the scenes stuff. Like I was just helping where it needed. And I really want to start offering these services to other people because your girl is a visionary, okay? Your girl got concepts and creativity. Anyways, this is me asking another friend that was there to record me to show what I was doing for most of the time when they were doing the footage. And I wasn't even actually recording anything at the time because the music was on the phone. But anyways, it was a wrap and it was great.
It's a wrap. Was it a wrap, Rachel?
It was a wrap.
A
roller wrap.
A roller wrap.
27 people.
Okay, so I'm back home now. Thank you so much to Rachel. I had so much fun. It was a good weekend. Like, I really had a good time. I hope you had a good time. Watch me have a good time. Thank you for watching, is what I'm trying to say. I am going to be posting videos every Friday on this app, okay? So please subscribe. Please comment below, tell me what you think, and please follow all of my other socials as well. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you. Okay, bye. What type of wave is this? I don't know. Anyways, bye.